Hi kiddos, this is Amateur Woodworking with AZ Evans. This is episode 3 of our short videos on amateur woodworking. Now, on our last video, episode 2, we had a diagram up here that showed our different types of wood and the way it's sawn, and also how to calculate board footage. So now, camera girl, come up here a little bit closer. We will hold this for a few seconds so you can actually record how to calculate board foot. We have one example here and another here, and you can get a good idea of the different types of material and how it's sawn. Okay, with that, we're going to step over here, and of course you're going to notice I still have my old Grizzly bandsaw. Well, I did say on the video last week, episode 2, that this saw was shipping, and it has shipped. And the shipper has called me and they said they will be delivering this on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. So that should be interesting in itself, and that's going to be a longer video. We will actually be unpacking that saw, removing this Grizzly saw, setting up the new saw. That might take 2, maybe 3 videos the way that these go with me. And but we will be starting a project, and it's going to be on building some jewelry chests. And I'll go into the design on those later, but what we will be actually focusing on for you kiddos is how to square this wood up, how we're going to be using. This right here is a pile of African mahogany. But we're going to be squaring this up and sizing this wood, and what we're going to be using will be the joiner, the planer, and also the new bandsaw. And when we get to that, hopefully in the next 2 or 3 videos, you guys will start seeing some of the things that we do to actually start sizing wood for our projects. And this one project will be fairly simple. Like I said, it's going to be jewelry chests. Now I want to see how many I can make, because I do have quite a bit of this bits and pieces of this African mahogany. Now, of course, as we talk in these videos, we get to the end of it, and we need to talk about safety. Now, on episode 1, we talked about particulates in the air and how we remove them. Episode 2, we talked about eye safety. Now, today, and this will help round out a lot of the safety that we do use, besides techniques of working with the particular woodworking machines. Now, kiddos, for your hearing, you need to put on some hearing protection. Now, you can see here, these are Winchester. I use these for shooting, but they do come in and work very well for being around this equipment and keeping the noise levels down so you don't go completely deaf. And me, myself, I'm already partially deaf, so I want you to put these on. Now, of course, I can't hear anything you say once I put them on, but this is what I wear. Now, these are made from Winchester, and they're actually very affordable, and they do double duty. So I can go out target shooting, and I can also work in my hobby wood shop. So I want you to know this has been Amateur Woodworking with AZ Evans, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.